3, 2, 1, go. Look at all that purple. You can barely even see the other color.
Take it really
I
good.
see.
Put it down. Let's see it settle. Let's watch it.
That's super cool. I don't see. Look. Do you see the golden?
Yeah. So tell us, what did you put in this jar?
We needed oil.
Baby
we
oil?
needed baby oil. We needed a jar. It doesn't matter what kind of jar, little or small, little or big. And then if you have gems, you could put those for stars. And then you just get whatever kind of glitters you want.
What kind of glitters did you put in?
I put blue, purple, pink, and gold, and gray.
And was there any color inside of that oil?
And then you put food coloring.
Did you see the food coloring?
See some of the sides. Like the food coloring doesn't flip when you,
It stayed on the bottom.
yeah.
That's stuff on the jar.
This is super cool. Now we're going to do this.
There is
Bye.
some super glue on the lid to make sure it does not open back up.
Bye, everyone. Hope you try this at your home.